I want to give you my top 5 tips on how to keep chickens with super low maintenance. I don't want to be coming out here when it's snowing and cold all the time. I want the chickens to just kind of take care of themselves. So I'll give you 5 ways that I found to keep chickens with almost no maintenance at all. Number 1, you have to have a deep litter bedding method. Come on in, let me show you this. It's super easy to clean out. About once a month I put some new wood shavings over top of this for the chickens. They love it. It's nice and clean. There's really not any smell. It smells like pine shavings, and it's really clean and easy. Once a month, no problem. All right, number 2, you have to have automatic waterer and feeder. Here's my water. Made it cute, look like a rain barrel. There's a 20-gallon barrel of water in here. It comes down through this pipe, down through here, and the chickens just feed it off of here. So they can go like 3 or 4 weeks without any water maintenance. Plus, I have a hose that runs to this full time. I just turn it on for about 30 seconds, fill up the bucket, that's it. And then my feeder method, I can put a 50-pound bag of feed in here in one shot. So I come out about every 2 weeks with 12 chickens. Come on in, Hannah, let me show you this. So the feed all just funnels down into these tubes. Let me show you those. Check that out. And the chickens love it. No spill, no problem. They come in, they put their head in here, get their feed out, and these little cups keep them from spilling and wasting a ton of food. All right, number 3, you have to have an automatic door. You don't want to come out every single day and let the chickens out. So the automatic door opens when the sun comes up, closes when the sun goes down. The chickens go in and out on their own. I don't have to do anything. Number 4, you got to have a security camera. I've got one, it's on Wi-Fi, connected to the Wi-Fi in my house. Got to have this. This checks the doors closed and opened every night and morning from the comfort of my own bed. No maintenance, don't have to come out and check on them. Something's going wrong, I got a security camera to know what's going on around my chicken coop at all times. 30 bucks on Amazon, well worth the money. Number 5, you're not going to expect this, you got to have a rooster for low maintenance. We had one rooster, he was mean, we had to get rid of him. We went without one for a while. The chickens were all over the place, they were picking on each other, they had health problems. We had other birds coming in, predators, that kind of thing. A rooster takes care of almost all of those problems. He's so defensive, he keeps the order. This little guy, little bantam, super sweet, not a problem at all, and he keeps all the other chickens in line. Protects them. You gotta have one for low maintenance. Without him, the chickens don't know what to do.